How to fix Bilibili app not working? First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A poor connection can cause the app to crash or fail to load videos. Next, check if there is an update available for the Bilibili app in your Play Store. Updating to the latest version can fix bugs and improve app performance. If the app still doesn't work, try clearing the cache and temporary files from your device settings. This helps remove corrupted data that might be causing the issue. Restarting your device can also help resolve minor glitches or app freezing problems. If the problem persists, uninstall the Bilibili app and reinstall it from the official Play Store. This ensures you have a fresh installation with all default settings. Finally, check if Bilibili servers are down by visiting their official social media pages or community forums. Sometimes the app not working can be due to server-side issues. Now you know how to fix the Bilibili app not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.